Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by arming Glass Vision and the ink tool that pairs with it. This is crucial because the ability reads ink signatures directly. Once equipped, move to an area where ink trails intersect and mark a landmark to orient yourself. Make sure to enable HUD markers so enemy shimmer and friendly ink contrast are visible. This reduces guesswork. Once done, calibrate sensitivity briefly. This helps separate faint traces from background ink and saves time during the next steps. You activate Glass Vision with short presses to reveal layered ink depths and directional cues. The how matters. Brief holds show immediate flow, longer holds show residual trails. As you scan, focus on pulse patterns. Static blobs mean recent hits, flowing streaks indicate movement, and splatter clusters reveal point of origin. Make sure to use short bursts to conserve the ability resource while updating real-time data. This keeps info fresh and prevents you from being caught mid-scan with stale signatures. You commit to the approach based on the strongest continuous ink flow because that most likely indicates current paths. Once positioned, time your ink shots to visual cues and teammate calls. Coordination amplifies success. After engagement, confirm the area is cleared and conserve Glass Vision for repositioning. If readings fail or return no targets, toggle Glass Vision off and on, then rescan. This often clears UI glitches. If problems persist, reposition slightly and repeat the short burst scan to refresh signals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.